Okay, we have a lot of Milwaukee tools. I'm not saying one brand is better than another, just that I happen to have that particular brand in drills and chainsaws and stuff like that. And I did see this tire pump last year. It's 12 volt. I would have grabbed an 18-volt one if they had it at the time, but they didn't. But I figured this for topping off, this should be more than adequate. And since that time, I have used it several times, even when the tires were down really low, like 20 pounds or something of that sort, uh, because I developed a leak on the rims and had to get it reseated again. These aluminum rims, they do salt up. Anyways, we had the cold snap, minus 40, minus 50. And of course, the tire pressure on all four dropped down. Front ones, of course, when it warms up, it was back to normal. However, my rear still was a little bit under to put out the reminder that the tires need to be pumped. And the reason for that is I think I set it at 75 pounds, whatever, because I think it has to be 75 at least. I only run 80 pounds when I'm towing a trailer. So anyways, I decided, okay, we're having a nice warm spell, about 8 degrees, and I'm going to pump up my back tires by 5 pounds. So I take out our storage, which was in my truck, and it was sitting there all winter, this 12-volt battery, since August, and this is end of January. I am expecting the battery to be dead, but I had spares. So the first tire I pumped up, it was 71, pumped it up to 76. Then using the same battery, it was also 71. I pumped it up to 76. And by the time I disconnect and everything, it will drop down to 75 and a half, more or less. So I was impressed. It was nice to know that this 12-volt battery was able to handle the cold and at least pump up these big truck tires from 71 to 76. Great, very handy. And we also have leaf blower, which I use to blow the snow off the truck or the solar panel. Even use it to pump up the boat balloons that my wife uses for fishing. It works. It's just nice not to worry about having a dead battery, knowing that they stay charged for quite a long time in your vehicle. However, I can also charge them from my truck if I ever had to. So it works. I cannot complain about it. I'm sure other brands have similar options, similar accessories. The main thing is to have one system, one set of batteries, so you have a bunch of batteries and you don't get caught with a unit that's dead. Nothing worse. Which I had problems with my lead acid ones that I had from Canadian Tire. I think I since dumped it. Take care. Oh, this is what it looks like when you put everything away. You have little accessories or parts picking up different devices. This unit won't pump up my wife's boat, but the leaf blower does. And it comes with the appropriate connectors. So that's the review. Take care.